Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Okay, I confess, I steal guitar riffs from popular songs to use in my own guitar solos. Hopefully, I won't have the music police show up and arrest me for grand theft solo. In this session, I will show you how I take a riff by a popular artist and expand it into riffs that I can use for other songs. The guitar is tuned standard, E-A-D-G-B-E, and the featured quick lick in this tutorial is the opening riff that Jimmy Page plays in the guitar solo from Stairway to Heaven. Here's what it sounds like. I'm playing it this way. This riff comes straight out of the A minor pentatonic scale. Here it is. That's the A minor pentatonic scale. But we're going to play the scale backwards, starting with a note here at the 5th fret on the high E string. We're going to go to the G string here at fret 7, an A, and we're going to do this. Strike it, bend it up, and hold it with some vibrato like that. Now I'm using 2 fingers so that it's easy to shake that note. Then we'll go to the 5th fret on the high E string, fret 8 on the B string, fret 5 on the B string, fret 7 on the G string, fret 5, fret 7 on the D string, fret 7 on the G string, fret 5 on the G string, fret 7 on the D string, fret 5, and then from 5 down to 3 and slide like that. So it's so that's 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 7, 5, 7, strike 5 and slide down to 3. So now what I'll do is put on a random backing track that I found on YouTube, and I'll insert that riff into it and use it to play along. Now what I'll do is add a note or two so that it'll work with the track. So I'm going to do this. Then I go down 1 more fret so that it resolves in the key of the track. So it's like that. Here we go. another riff that I stole from a major artist that I use in my solos all the time. You can do the same thing. Well, that's all I got for now. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.